Welcome to New Zealand, a land forged by fire and ice, where ancient forests cloak towering mountains and turquoise waters lap at shores teeming with life. This island nation, a true masterpiece of the natural world, offers a diversity of experiences that are sure to leave you breathless. Whether you seek the thrill of adventure, the tranquility of nature's embrace, or the richness of Maori culture, New Zealand has something for everyone. From the soaring peaks of the Southern Alps to the geothermal wonders of Rotorua, we'll journey through a tapestry of landscapes, each more captivating than the last. Join me, Ahmed Al-Sayed, as we embark on an expedition to uncover the 10 must-see destinations that make New Zealand an unforgettable journey for any traveller. Our journey begins in the southwest corner of the South Island, where the rugged landscape plunges into the Tasman Sea, carving a path through sheer rock faces and verdant rainforests. This is Milford Sound, often hailed as the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. As we glide through the inky waters, immense waterfalls cascade from dizzying heights, their thunderous roar echoing through the fjord. Keep a watchful eye out for playful pods of dolphins that dance alongside our vessel, their sleek bodies cutting through the water with effortless grace. The air is alive with the cries of native birds, their calls weaving a symphony of sound that speaks to the untouched beauty of this remote wilderness. The towering peaks, cloaked in emerald green, rise majestically from the depths, their summits often shrouded in a veil of mist, adding an air of mystery to this already enchanting landscape. For the most breathtaking views, plan your visit during clear skies when the sun's rays illuminate the fjord, casting dancing reflections upon the water's surface. It's a scene of such profound beauty that it will forever be etched in your memory. Milford Sound is a testament to the raw power of nature, a place where one can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. Our next destination takes us to the heart of the North Island, to Tongariro National Park, a land of dramatic contrasts shaped by volcanic forces over millennia. Here we embark on a journey along the Tongariro Alpine Crossing, often described as one of the world's greatest one-day hikes. As we ascend through alpine meadows, a panorama of volcanic peaks unfolds before us, their slopes painted in hues of ochre, crimson and emerald green. The air carries the scent of sulfur, a reminder of the immense power that lies beneath our feet. Our path takes us past steaming vents and turquoise blue crater lakes, their otherworldly beauty a testament to the raw energy that still courses through this ancient landscape. The climb can be challenging, but the reward is well worth the effort. From the summit of Red Crater, the highest point on the crossing, gaze out over a vista that seems to stretch forever. To the south, the majestic cone of Mount Ngaruho, forever immortalized as Mount Doom in the Lord of the Rings trilogy, dominates the horizon. The Tongariro Alpine Crossing is not just a hike, it's a journey through a land shaped by fire and time, a place where the raw beauty of our planet is on full display. From the volcanic landscapes of Tongariro, we venture north to Auckland, New Zealand's largest city, a vibrant metropolis nestled between two shimmering harbours. Known as the City of Sails, Auckland's skyline is a captivating blend of modern skyscrapers and the graceful masts of sailboats bobbing gently in the harbour. The beating heart of Auckland is the waterfront, a bustling hub of activity where you can soak up the sun, enjoy a waterfront meal, or simply watch as the world goes by. Here, the air is alive with the sound of seagulls and the salty tang of the ocean. For panoramic views of the city and its surroundings, ascend the iconic Sky Tower, the tallest freestanding structure in the Southern Hemisphere. From this vantage point, Auckland's sprawling urban landscape unfolds before you, a tapestry of green parks, glittering skyscrapers, and the sparkling blue waters of the Hauraki Gulf. Explore the historic neighbourhoods, each with its own distinct character, from the charming shops and cafes of Parnell to the trendy boutiques and art galleries of Ponsonby. And no visit to Auckland would be complete without experiencing the city's rich Maori heritage. Auckland is a city that effortlessly blends urban excitement with the laid-back charm of island life, offering a taste of everything that makes New Zealand so special. Leaving the urban bustle behind, we venture south once more to the backbone of the South Island, the majestic Southern Alps. This formidable mountain range, sculpted by millennia of glacial activity, is a sight to behold, its snow-capped peaks piercing the sky, a testament to the raw power of nature. Here, amidst these towering giants, adventure awaits at every turn. For thrill seekers, the Southern Alps offer world-class skiing and snowboarding in winter, while in the warmer months, hiking trails wind their way through alpine meadows carpeted in wildflowers, leading to breathtaking vistas. One of the most awe-inspiring sights in the Southern Alps is Aoraki Mount Cook National Park, home to New Zealand's highest peak, Aoraki Mount Cook, a majestic pyramid of rock and ice that dominates the landscape. Take a scenic flight over the park and you'll witness a breathtaking panorama of glaciers, ice falls and turquoise glacial lakes. For those seeking a more tranquil experience, take a scenic drive along one of the many alpine passes that wind their way through the mountains. The road to Milford Sound, for example, takes you past mirror-like lakes, cascading waterfalls and through ancient beech forests, offering glimpses of unparalleled beauty at every turn. The Southern Alps are a place of breathtaking grandeur, a landscape that will stay with you long after you've left its towering presence. Our journey takes us now to a land where the earth itself seems to breathe, where geysers erupt in plumes of steam and mud pools bubble and hiss. Welcome to Rotorua. This geothermal wonderland, located in the heart of the North Island, offers a glimpse into the fiery heart of our planet. Rotorua is a sensory experience unlike any other. The air is thick with the pungent aroma of sulfur, a constant reminder of the geothermal activity bubbling beneath the surface. Geysers, like the famed Pohutu geyser, erupt in towering columns of boiling water, a spectacular display of nature's raw power. Take a walk through the otherworldly landscapes of Waio Tapu Thermal Wonderland, where vibrant pools of water, coloured by minerals, create an artist's palette of greens, yellows and oranges. Stroll through the steaming forests of Wakarewarewa Forest, where giant redwood trees tower overhead, and the ground beneath your feet is warm to the touch. Rotorua is also a place of great cultural significance, home to the Te Arawa people who have lived in harmony with this geothermal landscape for centuries. Experience the warmth of Maori hospitality at a traditional hangi feast, where food is cooked underground using geothermal heat. Rotorua is a place where you can connect with the very essence of our planet, a land where the raw power of nature is on full display. Nestled on the shores of the glistening Lake Wakatipu with the Remarkables mountain range as a dramatic backdrop lies Queenstown, the adventure capital of New Zealand. This vibrant town pulsates with energy, drawing thrill seekers and outdoor enthusiasts from across the globe. For those who live life on the edge, Queenstown is a mecca. Here you can hurl yourself from a platform attached to a giant rubber band in a heart-stopping bungee jump. Feel the adrenaline surge as you plummet towards the earth before springing back up. The Nevis bungee, the highest in New Zealand, will test even the bravest of souls. If soaring through the air is more your style, Queenstown offers tandem skydiving experiences that provide unparalleled views of the Southern Alps and the surrounding lakes. Imagine leaping from a plane and free-falling at 120 miles per hour, the wind whipping past you before the parachute opens and you glide peacefully down to earth. But Queenstown's allure extends beyond its adrenaline-pumping activities. Take a scenic gondola ride to the top of Bob's Peak for breathtaking panoramic views of the town, the lake and the surrounding mountains. Explore the surrounding wine region, renowned for its Pinot Noir, or try your hand at whitewater rafting on the Shotover River. Whether you're a seasoned adrenaline junkie or simply looking for a scenic escape, Queenstown is sure to get your pulse racing. Our journey takes us north now, to a place where turquoise waters lap at golden sand beaches, where dolphins frolic in the waves and the air is filled with the scent of salt and citrus. Welcome to the Bay of Islands. This subtropical paradise, located on the North Island's northeastern tip, is a place to relax, unwind and reconnect with nature. The Bay of Islands is actually made up of 144 islands and islets scattered along the coastline, creating a playground for sailing, kayaking and exploring hidden coves and secluded beaches. Rent a boat and set sail on the crystal-clear waters, or paddle a kayak through calm, sheltered bays. The only sounds the gentle splash of your oars and the cries of seabirds overhead. Keep a watchful eye out for bottlenose dolphins, which are frequently spotted in these waters. These playful creatures often swim alongside boats, their sleek bodies leaping and diving in the waves, a spectacle that is sure to bring a smile to your face. The Bay of Islands is also steeped in history. Visit the Waitangi Treaty Grounds, where the Treaty of Waitangi, New Zealand's founding document, was signed in 1840, marking a pivotal moment in the country's history. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a glimpse into New Zealand's past, the Bay of Islands offers a little something for everyone. From the sun-drenched shores of the Bay of Islands, we travel south to Wellington, New Zealand's vibrant and eclectic capital city. Nestled between rolling green hills and a stunning harbour, Wellington is renowned for its thriving arts scene, its quirky cafes and its windy disposition. Wellington is a city best explored on foot. Wander through its compact city centre, where Victorian architecture blends seamlessly with modern buildings and street art adds splashes of colour to unexpected corners. Explore the laneways, each with its own unique character, and discover hidden bars, restaurants and boutiques. No visit to Wellington is complete without a visit to Te Papa Tongarewa Museum of New Zealand, the country's national museum. Here, you can immerse yourself in New Zealand's rich history, art and culture through interactive exhibits and stunning displays of Maori treasures. Ride the Wellington cable car, a beloved icon, up to the Wellington Botanic Garden, a tranquil oasis offering panoramic views over the city and the harbour. And be sure to experience the city's thriving culinary scene, from innovative fine dining restaurants to cosy cafes, serving up some of the best coffee in the country. Wellington is a city that surprises and delights at every turn, a place where creativity thrives and the wind whispers tales of the sea. Our journey takes us now to the northern tip of the South Island, to a place where golden sand beaches meet lush native forests and turquoise waters lap at granite cliffs. Welcome to Abel Tasman National Park. This coastal paradise, named after the Dutch explorer who first landed here in 1642, is a haven for hikers, kayakers, and those seeking solace in the beauty of nature. The Abel Tasman Coast Track, one of New Zealand's great walks, winds its way for 37 miles along the park's coastline, offering breathtaking views at every turn. Hike through lush forests where giant ferns unfurl their fronds and the air is filled with the sound of native birdsong. Emerge onto secluded beaches where the sand is golden and the water is so clear you can see your toes even at depth. For a different perspective, explore the park by kayak. Paddle through calm, sheltered waters, stopping to explore hidden coves and sea caves. Keep an eye out for seals basking on the rocks and playful dolphins surfing the waves. Spend your nights in one of the park's campsites where you can fall asleep to the sound of the waves crashing on the shore and wake up to the sun rising over the horizon, casting a golden glow on the water. Abel Tasman National Park is a place to reconnect with nature, to breathe in the fresh air, and to lose yourself in the beauty of the natural world. Our final destination takes us to the west coast of the South Island, to a place where you can experience the thrill of walking on a glacier. Welcome to Franz Josef Glacier. This natural wonder, one of the most accessible glaciers in the world, descends from the southern Alps, its icy tongue reaching down into lush rainforest. A helicopter ride will whisk you up to the glacier's surface, where you'll be equipped with crampons and ice axes for your unforgettable adventure. Step out onto the ice and you'll be greeted by a world unlike any other. The air is crisp and clean, the silence broken only by the crunch of your boots on the ice. Explore ice caves carved by the glacier's constant movement, their walls shimmering with 1,000 shades of blue. Gaze into deep crevasses, their depths hinting at the immense power of this frozen river. Your guide will share their knowledge of the glacier's formation and its delicate ecosystem. For a truly unforgettable experience, consider a heli-hike, combining a scenic helicopter flight with a guided ice walk. This allows you to explore more remote areas of the glacier and witness its breathtaking beauty from above. Franz Josef Glacier is a reminder of the power and the fragility of nature, a place where you can walk on a giant and witness the awe-inspiring forces that have shaped our planet. As our journey through New Zealand's most spectacular destinations comes to an end, we're left with a profound sense of awe and wonder. From towering mountains to shimmering glaciers, from vibrant cities to tranquil beaches, New Zealand offers a tapestry of experiences that will stay with you long after you've left its shores. We hope this guide has inspired you to plan your own unforgettable adventure to this remarkable country. Whether you seek thrills, tranquility, or a deeper connection with the natural world, New Zealand has something to offer every traveler. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more travel inspiration, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on future adventures. Until next time, keep exploring!